Okay, so then I wanted to talk about another issue we have with the diamond sun and the Merkaba field, okay, that I'm seeing a lot of people are having. So in Atlantis, that was the biggest, most recent collapse, okay? And what we had was an evolved civilization. And we had the stargates open. We were merging with galactic civilizations. Many people had the diamond sun activated throughout the planet. We worked with a crystalline planetary field. And what happened is people's egos became involved. They were able to work with the diamond sun in a distorted way. They used force. That force actually caused the collapse of their own field in the planetary field. Many people have somatic memories of this. There is a fear of utilizing your power, accessing your potential because of this force with the field. So what happens when you use force with the diamond sun is it creates like a quantum ripple. And if more than one person were to do this, it can create massive destruction. Okay, so anyone that used that in the past, any sort of force or has memories of that experience, whether it was you or someone else, just the whole situation in general, the field would fracture, become unraveled, dissolve. There could have been soul death as well. And so those people, even if they had the diamond sun activated in those past lives, if they went through that unraveling, that dissolution or soul death, they have to rebuild the light body. So we're in a phase right now where people have to rebuild the light body, okay, from the ground up. You have to understand it. You have to pass through all of these thresholds, integrity thresholds, to make sure that you're aligned, that you're able to manage the power and potential. It's kind of like a barrier. So you have an initiation, then you get stopped, and then you get tested. It's like a schooling, okay? And then you can activate the new one. And then you move forward, initiated, and then you get tested. And then you can move forward. And it's a frequency range. These are the bandwidths, and the Merkaba structures align with the higher bandwidths, okay? You cannot pass or graduate here if your integrity is not aligned with that trajectory, okay? Because of the risk of the light body becoming distorted, the intention of the individual using force, it's too big of a risk. So we learned the lessons from the past. We have to have boundaries with our field, and we also have to temper people's egos as they move through the ascension process. Okay, so that's the way we're doing this now with the new blueprints. Okay, not everyone will have access to the diamond sun body if they don't have the integrity needed to actually utilize it in a benevolent way that helps everyone. Okay, so a lot of this path is about our inner landscape, our egos being in check, integrity being in alignment with divine will, releasing the ego will, etc. Okay, so if you're feeling that fear of your power or potential, or frustrated because you know that you're a higher dimensional spiritual being, but you aren't on the highest timeline, you haven't been able to activate all the Merkaba structures, or possibly you feel like you have, but there's something missing. It's because we have to go through this initiation process now. Because you as a human, there's so many risks of becoming distorted that as you build and grow, you have to be tempered, learn, expand, okay? Once the ego gets involved, your power becomes severed, okay? If people use force or dark magic, they will lose all access to that trajectory, okay? So I wanted to go over that. Many people will be feeling that now because you're going to start tuning in to these higher frequency light body structures as well as your potential. These fears could come up, the frustrations over having to rebuild it, to walk the path in a different way this time. That's so that as we move on to this higher timeline, the new earth template, that we don't have the same destruction that we have had in the past. Okay? Hope that was helpful. Sending love.